Somebody likes his homemade carrots.
Yeah, somebody does. And Daddy keeps getting messier
Daddy's
and messier.
making it messy.
Daddy's making a mess. Here it comes, here it comes. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Here it is. Oh, goodness. It's got the patience of a lob when it comes to food. Because I know you got more in there. I can see it. Goodness, there you go. Yeah, let's catch that for you there, Messi. Is that hot? I blew on it. There it goes.
Don't you eat my food.
Is that what you saw? The spoon go into my mouth and said, "No, Dad, this is mine." You get all that gross stuff like pizza and stuff. I went to carrots. You know how privileged you are to be getting fresh carrots. Don't make your chin go away. I need it. Oh, goodness. Here we go.
You think this is good? You should see him with peas.